Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and you want to take your engine bay bling up to the next level? That is going to be the titanium bolt kit from Dress Up Kits, and I want to show you how to install it. All right, so let's talk about this a little bit before we do it and the reasons why you might want to do something like this. Now, this really is kind of that ultimate kit. We're going to be replacing almost every visible bolt in the engine bay with a titanium colored bolt. Now, you can get it in a whole bunch of different colors, and I decided to go blue. Now, I've got a buddy with a gorgeous purple G80 M3, and he had his hood up and he had purple highlighted bolts throughout his engine bay. And I was just like, what is that? It was one of the coolest things I'd ever seen. And I started to think, you know, blue might be cool because I've got some blue accents through the car. I've got some blue accents in the engine bay, and I'm like, a whole blue bolt kit would be awesome. And I was looking at Dress Up bolts, and they have a full kit of titanium bolts as well. So I'm like, you know what, if we're gonna do this, let's do it right. Let's go bananas and do the whole thing. So I'm gonna walk you through this. This is gonna be a really simple install with only a few tools to go through. And I'm gonna give you the highlights. If we went through every single bolt, this would be like probably an hour-long video, and you don't need that. So I'll show one section, and then you note, like for example, as you look down the quarter panel, there's some bolts to replace. So I'll show you that side, and know that the other side is going to be exactly the same. So let me walk you through this whole process. Let's get started underneath the hood, and I want to show you how you can do this yourself.